My name is Akintola Olawale Peter. You're welcome to our educational YouTube channel at Scholars Card TV. Today, we want to treat a topic, surd. But before I proceed, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to your friends. Share to your friends. Now, when we say surd is said to be in basic form, whereby the numbers under the square root sign, whereby the number is under the square root does not contain a factor, which is a perfect square. Now, what we number here, we have root what? 18. Let's just take 18 there. We have 18 there. Let's look at root 75. Then let's look at root 80 and so on. Okay, let's look at this first. Now, this is a surd. No, this is a surd. Now, for us to reduce the surd, like I said, we have to express it what? We have to express it what? In two numbers, whereby one will be what? One will be perfect what? Square. Now, this is 18 now. So, one will be perfect. An example of perfect square number, like I said, we have what? Start from what else? 4. 4 is a perfect square number. Then 16 is a perfect what? Square number. Then 25 is a perfect square number. 36 is a perfect square number. Why are they perfect square number? Because two same number can multiply them and give you exactly that number. And that exactly that number is what? Is a perfect square number. So like I said, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 times 4 is 16. 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, we have 25 is also a what? A perfect square, which is what? 5 times 5 is what? 25. So 25 is a perfect square. 49 as well. 7, 49. Okay, 8 times 8, 64. 64 is a perfect square. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 is a perfect square. 100 is a perfect square. 10 times 10 is what? Is 100. So those so we are from 4, 16, 25, 49, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, and so on. They are what? They are perfect square numbers. Now, we have a surd here. This is a surd here. This is a what? This is a root what? Surd 18. This is 18. Now, in this place now, like I said, one word, we are going to express it in what? In two what? In two numbers. So what are the two numbers? Like I said, one will be what? One will be perfect square. Now, and the other will be what? Will be ordinary number. So we have what? So 16. So what is the two number that can give us what? 18. Now we have like 1 is a perfect square. So 9 is a perfect square. 3 times 3 is a 9. Yes. Like 3 times 3 is what? Is 9. So 9 is a perfect. 9 times what? 2. So 9 times 2 give us 18. So in this place, I bring it here. I say root 9 times what? Root 2. Now the square root of 9 will give us 3. So we now have 3 times what? Root 2. So our answer 3 times root 2 is what? That's 3 what? Root 2. So our answer is what? 3 root 2. That's the first one. Then the next one is what? Is 25. Like I said 1. What? Okay, this one is what? 80. So this one is what? 75. So like I said, 1 will be what? Perfect square. The other one, another number. So we have what? This one now becomes 25 times what? 25 times 3. So 25 times 3. We give us that as what? 75. So which is what? 25 times what? Root 3. So in this place, the square root of 25, we give us that as 5 times what? Root 3. So 5 times root 3, we give us that as what? 5 what? Root 3. Now look at this now. We have, so one, like I said, one will be what? One will be perfect square, and the other one will be what? You know, when we explain in two number, one will be what? Perfect square. So like 16 times 5, we give us that as what? 80. Now look at it, 6 times 5, 30. 5 times 1, 5 plus 3 is what? That's what? 80. So in this place, 16 times 5. Now the square root of, so now come now say root 16 times what? Root 5. So the square root of 16 is what? That's 4. Root what? Root 5. There's no way we can get the square root of 5 because this is, so now multiply. So 4 times root 5, we got that as what? 4 what? Root 5. So that's that. Now in this place now, we are going to look at a question here. So what is it? We want to look at addition and subtraction of surd. Addition and subtraction of surd. So we have a question here. We have root 18. Root 8 plus what? Root 18. Now look at this place. So in this place, like I said, 1 will be what? 1 will be expressed as what? As we are going to express it as a product of two numbers, but 1 will be what? 1 will be perfect square. So in this place now, This place now become what? 8 will now have 4 times what? 2. Plus what? This one will be what? That's 9 times what? 2. So as we have it there. Now, the square root of 4, we have what? 2 what? Root 2. So no need of us finding that. So don't forget that the square root of 4 is what? Is 2. We now have this 2. Yeah, don't forget we cannot find this what? The square root of 2. Just put it there. Root 2. Then the square root of 9 is what? Is 3. What? Root 2 here. So under this place, so under the square, so we have 9 times 2 under the square. So the square root of 9 is what? 3. Root what? Root 3. Now in this place now, so we have what? 2 plus 3. So we take our this thing, now bring it here. Now say, sorry, 2 plus 3 root what? Root 2. So in this place now, 2 plus 3 is what? Is 5. So our answer is what? 5 what? Root 2. So that's our final answer. Then we have another question here again, which is what? Which is 27 root 27 minus what? Root 12. Now in this place, we bring it, like I said, we express it what? As a product of two numbers. Please take note of that. So we have what? 9 times what? 9 times 3 give us 27. This one we go as for 4 times 3 give us what? 12. Now the square root of 9 is what? Is 3 what? Root 3. Then minus square root of 4 we go as what? The square root of 4 we go as what? 2 what? Root what? 3. Now bring it, now say 3 minus 2 what? Root 3. So 3 minus 2 is what? That's what? 1 root 3. Or we say what? Root 3 as our answer. Because 1 times root 3 is what? Is root 3. So that is our final answer. So that's how you can find what addition and subtraction of surd and find our surd. Please do not forget, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe at our YouTube channel as Scholars Card TV. Make sure that you like, share and subscribe. See you some other time. Thank you very much. I name it Mr. Peter. Thank you very much.